Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this soft glam eye makeup look using the newest Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmos palette. So in my previous video, I used it as well to create a smoky eye look. So for today, I'm going to do a soft glam look. Now, before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always make sure to prime the eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm just applying this all over the eyelid to make sure that all the redness is gone and I have like a nice clean base for all the eyeshadows. Then after that, I'm going to set it with a little bit of powder. I'm using this powder from Charlotte Tilbury, but you can use any powder that you personally like, just to make sure that you have a nice matte layer of powder. And this is the palette I was talking about. Anastasia recently launched this palette and you really wanted me to do another look with this. So I'm going to start with the color Comet. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but I'm going to start blending this kind of like in the outer V and just making circular motions and kind of blending it towards my eyebrow. So I wanted to kind of like have this soft smoky effect at the outer part of the eyelid, and then all over the eyelid I'm gonna do this like light shimmer that comes in the palette, but I wanted like mainly like these darker shades in this specific area where I'm blending it right now. So first I went in with that first color, and now I'm gonna go in with this darker color and just kind of blending it the same way. Kind of pressing it on, and then with whatever's left on my brush, just blending it out and going a little bit more upwards. I really love this color because this is kind of like this warm brownish shade, which kind of makes my eye pop. Then I went in with this color. I wanted to use it with my finger, but my nails are so annoying. I think I just have to get rid of them because it really annoys me whenever I want to apply eyeshadow over my eyelid that I can't because my nails are in the way. And I feel like using your finger definitely gives the most color payoff. So keep that in mind. If you don't have long nails, just use your finger. It works the best. Then after that, I'm going to go in with the Sigma Beauty Wicked Gel Eyeliner. And I'm going to go in with a Sigma E75 brush to create a super tiny line above the lash line. I just wanted a little bit of darkness, nothing crazy. It's not even going to be obvious that I'm wearing eyeliner, but I just want to make sure that the root of my eyeliner, no, not my eyeliner, the root of my lash line is just a little bit darker than to not have nothing in this area, basically. Because after this, I'm going to take that dark color that I blended in my outer V and use this to kind of smudge it out. I just really like to have like the root of my lash line to be super dark because it just looks better in photographs. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I actually always post these really like up close eye looks. So whenever I do an eye look, I'm also really focused on to make it kind of look picture perfect, if that makes sense. So there are just certain things that I just consider doing because I know it's gonna look better in photographs, but you don't have to do that, of course, if you are wearing it for the daytime look, but it's gonna look even better when people look at you up close. So now I use this pencil in the waterline, and then I went again in with that same dark color and used this underneath the lower lash line. The pencil that I use is from Makeup by Mario, and it just matches perfectly with this eyeshadow color. It's really beautiful, kind of like brownish orangey shade, and I think especially with my eye color, I have kind of like bluish with a little bit of green. It really makes my eye color pop, but I think it's gonna look beautiful in any eye color. So then I blended it out with a mixture of two shades and just blended this all the way along the lash line to make everything look a little bit more soft. I just used a super tiny brush. I believe this is a Morphe M506 if I'm not mistaken. Then I used a little bit leftover eyeshadow that I applied all over the eyelid and applied it underneath the lower lash line as well. And then I used a highlighter and I used it for the inner corner. I just felt like something was missing, so you can use any light kind of shimmery highlighting shade that you have at home. Then I curled the lashes, and I'm going to go in with the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm using this to curl the lashes, well, not to curl lashes, to apply my mascara. And I'm going to use this just a little coat on the upper lashes because I will go in with fake lashes, but for my bottom lashes I try to make them look as long as possible. So I applied my lashes real quick, and then here you have the finished result. And then this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe some beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing